Hey, so I'm gonna make a little different video. Always have been interested in this an Ancestry DNA thing. For Black Friday, Cyber Monday, they had a huge discount. It was perfect. I grabbed it. It took about a week after I purchased it, and this little box came in the mail. It came UPS, and here's what it looks like inside. And you get I have no clue what that is, collection bag, and a box so I can return it. Do not skip this step. You cannot get your results unless you activate your test. Yeah, super interested to see what comes up. The only thing I like definitely know on one side of my family is Yugoslavia, which is now Serbia, but they immigrated from Yugoslavia to Pittsburgh, and then that was on grandmother's side. Grandfather's side, who I didn't know, was Irish, Dutch-Irish, German, and I'm not sure. I've heard various things from the other side, so I'm not too sure, but I'm really super interested to see what's going to come up. So this is going to be like a progress process video, so do that. I'll mail it. We'll see how long it comes. We'll see how long it takes to get back, and then I'll give my results. Okay, so today is January 9th. My DNA results came back. Holy crap, let's check it out. 51% Great Britain, 25% Europe West, and 24% other regions. Let's check my full ethnicity estimate. That's hard to say. Okay, so here it is. Alright, let's see here. Great Britain. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wow. Nice. 5% Italy, Greece. 5% Finland, Northwest Russia. Nice. European Jewish. And Iberian Peninsula. Spain, Portugal, France, Switzerland. Ah, that's awesome, but it's the smallest percentage. So I'm 100% Europe. Let's see here. That's so cool though. Have some Italian, and I got some Spain, Portugal. Oh, that's awesome. My two favorite right there, Italian and Spanish. That's so cool. Hello. I got a little bit of that in me, which is awesome. Hello. 51% Great Britain. 25% Europe West. I'm really surprised at that though. Well, that's more on my, okay, that's interesting. I'm like, yeah, okay. I'm thinking about people in my family. Europe East. That's super cool too, yeah. That's so awesome though. Italian and okay, awesome. Heck yeah. Very awesome. Oh my gosh. So yeah, if you guys are curious about your ethnicity, your background, your roots, which I very much am, I love learning about this stuff. It was well worth it. If you can get a deal like I did, I only got mine for 69 bucks. I feel that was well worth it. Man, yeah.
It's really cool. Give it a chance. Maybe next time they have a huge deal like that, check it out. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you later.